Get younger, fresh-looking, glowing skin with my anti-aging cream. Everybody develops wrinkles and fine lines because of natural aging process. In this video I'm sharing very easy, effective, and best collagen-boosting homemade anti-aging cream for youthful and glowing skin with all natural ingredients. It will reduce fine lines and wrinkles and make skin tighten and brighten in just 15 days. Ingredients: 1 egg white, 1 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon cornstarch. Instructions: separate the egg white from the yolk and place it in a clean bowl. Add the cocoa powder and cornstarch to the egg white. Mix the ingredients well until you have a smooth paste. Application: ensure your face is clean and free of makeup or other products. Apply the collagen-boosting cream evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave the mixture on your skin for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries. Gently rinse off the cream with lukewarm water. Follow up with your regular moisturizer if needed. Benefits of cream: improved collagen production. This cream contains ingredients like egg white, which may stimulate collagen production in the skin. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. Reduced fine lines. Regular use of this cream may help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a smoother complexion. Enhanced skin elasticity. The formulation aims to improve skin elasticity, making your skin feel more supple and youthful. Skin nourishment. Cocoa powder is rich in antioxidants, which can provide your skin with essential nutrients and protect it from environmental damage. Natural ingredients. By using natural ingredients like egg white and cocoa powder, this cream offers a potentially gentler and more sustainable approach to skin care. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.